Embracing new beginnings, understanding, shaking off the old. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting English phrase that carries a lot of meaning. Shaking off the old. This phrase can be quite powerful in conversations and writing, symbolizing change and renewal. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples to help you incorporate it into your English language journey. Shaking off the old refers to the process of actively getting rid of old habits, ideas, or things that no longer serve a positive purpose in one's life. It's about letting go of the past to make room for new opportunities and experiences. This phrase emphasizes action and decision, highlighting a conscious effort to improve or change one's circumstances. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal growth to professional development. Here are a few examples. Personal growth. This year, I'm focusing on shaking off the old habits that have been holding me back. Professional development. Our company is shaking off the old methods and embracing innovative technologies. Relationships. After the breakup, I decided it was time to shake off the old and start fresh. When using this phrase, it's important to emphasize the action of moving forward and the positive change that comes from leaving behind what no longer benefits you. To help you understand how to use shaking off the old in everyday English, let's look at a conversation between two friends. Person A: I noticed you've been really positive lately. What's your secret? Person B: I've been working on shaking off the old negative mindset. It's all about focusing on the good things ahead. This example shows how the phrase can be a powerful tool in expressing personal transformation and optimism. Shaking off the old is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages growth, change, and embracing the new. Whether you're talking about personal habits, professional strategies, or even relationships, this phrase can help articulate the process of letting go and moving forward. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how to use and interpret shaking off the old in your English conversations. Remember, every day is an opportunity to shake off the old and welcome the new. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.